you ever heard someone say, put everything under your LLC so you're protected? It sounds smart, but what does that even mean? Can you really move your car, laptop, or even money under your business name? And why would you even want to? Hey, it's Erin. When I first started my small business, I had no clue what that meant either. I thought creating an LLC meant I could just toss everything I owned into it. My car, my laptop, even my phone. But once I learned what it really meant, I realized the why behind it was simple. It's not just about owning things under your business, it's about protecting yourself and setting up your business to grow safely. That's what we're going to break down today: how to move your stuff under your LLC safely, why it matters, and how to do it step by step using Bizee, one of the easiest websites for starting your business legally. We want to start off with a quick disclosure though first, and that's going to be covering the fact that we are affiliated with Bizee, the main service that we'll be discussing in today's video. If you use one of our referral links in our description, we may earn a very small commission at no extra cost to you. We appreciate your support. Part 1, what putting assets under your LLC actually means and why it matters. When people say put it under your LLC, they mean your business, not you, owns it legally. Think of your LLC like a separate person with its own wallet. That wallet can hold things your business owns, like cars, tools, and money, but it's completely separate from yours. Why it matters. If something goes wrong, like your business gets sued or owes money, only the business's wallet is on the line. Your personal savings, car, or home all stay safe. That's what limited liability really means. Your personal risk is limited. Without that separation, someone could come after your personal stuff if your business ever has a problem. It's like wearing protective gear. You hope you'll never need it, but if something bad happens, you'll be really glad that it's there. Part 2, what you can and can't move. When I made my first LLC, I thought, cool, now my business can own everything, but I quickly learned that is not how it works. Things you can move and why. Cars or trucks your business uses. If you use your vehicle for deliveries, client visits, or hauling supplies, it makes sense to put it under your LLC. That way, the business, not you, is responsible for it if anything happens. Equipment and tools. If your laptop, camera, or tools help you make money, your LLC can own them. That means you can write off the cost on your taxes and keep business and personal use separate. Business bank account. Your company needs its own account to track income and expenses clearly. This keeps your personal money safe and helps you file taxes correctly. Your brand or website. Your name, logo, and website are part of your business identity. Putting them under your LLC protects your brand from being copied or claimed by someone else. Things you should not move and why. Your home. It sounds smart, but mixing your personal property with your business can cause legal and tax issues. Homes also need a special kind of protection called a trust or holding company. Personal savings or money. That's your personal safety net. Don't risk it by mixing it with business finances. Anything purely personal, like your gym membership, your phone bill, or furniture, those things aren't helping your business make money. The bottom line, if your business uses it to earn income, it can belong to your LLC. If it's personal, keep it separate. Part 3, why separation is so important. A lot of people skip this step because this is the real why behind putting assets under your LLC. When your business and personal lives are mixed together, it's called commingling funds, and it's one of the fastest ways to lose your legal protection. If a court sees that you treat your business money like personal money, they can ignore your LLC completely. That means if your business gets sued, they can come after your personal bank account or your car. That's what lawyers mean when they say piercing the corporate veil. By keeping things separate with your own bank account, records, and business ownership, you're proving that your company is its own thing. And that's what keeps you protected. Part 4, how to move your stuff step by step. Here's how to safely move your assets to your LLC. Step 1, create your LLC. You can't move anything under your business until your business exists. Use Bizee. They handle the forms and file them with your state. Step 2, open a business bank account. This is your company's wallet. All business money goes here, no mixing it with your personal checking account. Step 3, transfer ownership title. For cars, visit the DMV to retire title it under your LLC's name. For equipment, write a simple document that says you sold or transferred it to your LLC, even if it's for $1. For websites or trademarks, change the registered owner to your LLC. Step 4, update your insurance. If your LLC now owns a car or property, the insurance needs to list your business as the owner. Step 5, keep records, save everything, receipts, transfer notes, and emails. This proves ownership and keeps you covered if the IRS ever asks questions. Let's hop over to Bizee. It's the platform I recommend for forming an LLC. They handle everything from your paperwork to your tax ID, and they're super beginner friendly, which makes the whole process way less stressful. Okay, so once you're on Bizee's website, click Start My Business. You'll see the first question is what type of business do you want to form? So which entity type? Choose LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Now let's pause here because that term limited liability sounds super legal, but here's what it actually means. When you create an LLC, you're legally separating you from your business. That means if your business ever gets sued or owes money or something goes wrong, people can only go after your business assets, not your personal stuff like your savings account or your car. Think of it like putting a wall between your personal life and your business life. That wall is your LLC. So once we select LLC, next you choose your state of formation. That's just the state where your business officially lives in the government's eyes. Each state charges its own filing fee, which is what the state collects to process your paperwork. Some states are super affordable, like around $50, while others are closer to $500. And that's the first thing I love about Bizee is their transparency. A lot of businesses formation sites hide costs or try to upsell you halfway through. Bizee puts everything right on the screen so you can budget properly from the start. All right, so step 2, you want to compare the packages. Once you pick your state, you'll land on this page with 3 package options: basic, standard, and premium. So let's break it down like you're sitting next to me doing it together. So first off, with the basic plan, this one is free except for your state's filing fee, which again, California will be $75. This plan does the bare minimum you need to legally register your LLC. It's perfect if you're just getting started and want to make your business official without spending extra. But here is the trade-off. You'll have to handle some stuff on your own, like getting your EIN. That's your business tax number. Think of it like a social security number for your business, and writing up your own operating agreement, which is a simple document that says how your business is going to run. Why people love it? It's cheap, simple, and gets your business legally recognized right away. Standard plan, this one's around $199 plus your state's fee, and it's the sweet spot for most people. With this plan, Bizee does the hard stuff for you. They will file your EIN for you, give you ready-to-use contracts you can customize for clients, and send compliance alerts to remind you about yearly filings or renewals so you don't miss deadlines and accidentally dissolve your LLC. Why this matters: once you have your LLC, the government expects you to keep it active. If you miss something like your yearly report or renewal, your LLC can be suspended, meaning you lose your legal protection. Bizee basically acts like your business assistant, helping you stay organized so you don't miss any of those steps. Lastly, we have our premium plan. It is the one that includes everything. This one includes everything from the other 2 plans, but adds expedited filing, which means your paperwork jumps to the front of the line and gets approved in 1 to 3 days instead of weeks. You also get a business website and a custom domain email like info@yourbusinessname.com. Why that's a big deal when you're trying to open business accounts, apply for financing, or even buy a car under your business name, looking official actually helps. Banks and lenders take you more seriously when you have a real business email and website versus just a Gmail account. So if you want everything set up quickly and professionally in one shot, the premium package saves you time and makes your business look legit right from the start. Now on the right hand side, you'll see an order summary box that'll show your exact total. It combines the Bizee plan you picked and your state's filing fee. There's no fine print or hidden costs. It's a one-time fee. That's one of the reasons so many people use Bizee instead of a lawyer or CPA to form their business. It's cheaper, faster, and you still still get everything filed legally. Once you hit get started, Bizee takes over from there. They prepare your legal paperwork, which is called your articles of organization. That's basically the birth certificate of your business, and they send it to your state for approval. When your LLC is approved, you'll get an email confirmation with all your documents attached and stored in your Bizee dashboard. After that, your business officially exists, meaning you can open a business bank account, start building business credit, and even buy or finance assets like cars or equipment under your company's name. Part 6, mistakes to avoid and why they matter. Number 1, mixing money. Using one card for both personal and business expenses make your life harder and puts your protection at risk. Keep it separate. Number 2, transferring random personal stuff. Moving things like your phone or couch doesn't make your business more official. It just complicates taxes. Number 3, skipping insurance. If your LLC owns something, your insurance policy must reflect that. Otherwise, you might not be covered in an accident or lawsuit. Part 7, the bigger picture, why it's worth it. When you move things under your LLC right away, you're not just protecting yourself, you're building a foundation for future growth. You'll have clean, organized records that makes tax season easier. Banks and lenders take you more seriously when you apply for business loans. You'll look more credible to clients and customers because your business is structured properly. It's not about making your life more complicated. It's about running your business like a real business. Q&A. Can I put my personal car under my LLC? Only if you mostly use it for your business. If it's half and a half, you can still deduct part of it, but you need to track miles and expenses carefully. Can my LLC own my home? Usually no. Homes involve special taxes and mortgage rules. Keep that personal. And what if I mix business and personal money? You lose your legal protection. The court can treat you and your business as the same person. That is going to be the worst case scenario. What's an EIN and why do I need it? Answer, it's your business's tax ID number. You use it for taxes, bank accounts, and anything official. It tells the government your business is real. Can I move things I already own? Yes, just document it properly. Write a short note that says you're transferring the item to your business for $1 and keep that paper as proof. Putting your assets under your LLC isn't just paperwork, it's peace of mind. Keeps your personal life safe, makes your business look professional, and sets you up for long-term growth. If you're ready to make it official, check out Bizee using the link down below. They will walk you through everything step by step. If this helped you understand how to protect your business, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more easy breakdowns. I'm Erin, and I'll see you in the next one.